Hey guys, I'm Tara and welcome to my meditation space. So for today's meditation, find a comfortable place to sit that's quiet. You can sit on the floor or you could sit in a chair, but if you sit in a chair, have your feet touching the floor so that you're in contact with the earth. I like to sit up. I have a meditation cushion that I like to sit up on that is a little bit more comfortable for me when I meditate. Today we're going to do a meditation where we go through the 7 chakras. So if you're not into like chakras and super yogi like things, please still stick with me. The chakras really are just a way to look at our energy and a different way to look at the body and kind of assess what needs a little bit of work. We're going to use this system today because I think it really does help get into that meditative state. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button below and then find your comfortable sitting position and we will get into this meditation. To begin our meditation, find a comfortable sitting position. Relax your hands in your lap. Keep your spine long with the top of the head pulling up toward the sky. Start to notice your breath, the way it feels on each inhale and exhale. On your next breath in, breathe in from the base of your spine up to the crown of your head. And as you exhale, breathe down from the crown of the head back to the base of your spine. Inhale, base of your spine to the crown of your head. Exhale from the crown of the head to the base of the spine. One more like that. Inhale, base of the spine to the crown of your head. Exhale, crown of the head to the base of your spine. Come back to your comfortable breathing pattern. Bring your awareness to the base of the spine and start to envision a red light glowing here. This red light starts at the base of your spine and it moves all the way down through your legs to your feet. Feel yourself grounded to the earth where you sit. You are stable, safe, and secure. You are able to stand on your own 2 feet. On each breath, notice that this light gets a little bit brighter. Maybe notice that it's going through the legs and you see the red light going into the earth. Bring your awareness up a little bit higher to your pelvis and lower abdomen and envision an orange light glowing here. Know that whatever emotions you feel are okay. Let them come and go. There is no need to feel attached to these emotions. Our emotions are in a constant flow. Notice this light getting a little brighter on each breath. Bring your awareness up to the middle and upper abdomen and envision a yellow light glowing here. This is where your inner fire lives. Allow your true self to shine and allow the world to experience your gifts. As you breathe and keep your attention on the upper abdomen, envision this yellow light glowing brighter. Bring your awareness up to your heart center and envision a green light glowing here. This green light starts at your heart and extends all the way through your arms, all the way down to your fingertips. Keep the heart open for all life has to offer. Live with unconditional love and compassion for others. As you breathe, notice this green light growing brighter from the heart all the way down to your fingers. Bring your awareness up to the throat and envision a blue light glowing here. The blue light moves up to your ears. Listen to others without judgment and communicate with others to leave them feeling uplifted. Notice as you breathe, this blue light grows brighter in the ears and throat. Move your awareness up to the point between your eyebrows and notice a purple light glowing here. When we tune into this area, it allows you to see yourself beyond expectations and limitations. It allows us to see the integration throughout the universe. As you focus here and focus on your breath, you see this purple light growing even brighter. Move your awareness to the top of your head and see a white light glowing here. Allow yourself to feel fully empowered. Allow yourself to be connected with a higher source. As you breathe with the attention on the crown of your head, see that this white light glows even brighter. Now, start to feel that this white light at the top of your head starts to come down to the base of your spine. Allow this white light to completely saturate your entire body. Feel yourself encompassed by this white, beautiful light. Notice how you're feeling in this moment. Know that this feeling is always within you and that you can come back to it whenever you need. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Start to deepen your breathing, bringing awareness back into your body. You can gently roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, go ahead and blink your eyes open to the world around you. Namaste.